today we're gonna go to the C Network's graduation ceremony for the batch 2 of the International Cuisine class. And of course, they have a batch 4 graduating for the basic pastry and baking. And some special courses, graduates also for those who attended only a couple of classes of international cuisines. And the event starts at 9 o'clock, so we're gonna have to look for the venue through Google Maps. Let's go, guys!
Join us during the seminars and lectures. You will have 3 classes in the kitchen. You have to finish 14 breads. That will be.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the graduates and the trainers to their first round.
Second row, please. Second row, please,
Can we give everyone a big round of applause? We deserve a big round of applause for waking up so early on Fridays, and of course, having to learn so many things in the international cuisine and basic pastry and baking. Here you go. Today, it's going to be official. So, we'd like to call on the C Network's project manager, Mr. Ricky Lagza.
CE means Community Events and Entertainment. We're very happy because C Network has leveled up a little bit. And we're still going to develop as we go on throughout the years, and we're very happy. I was going around and I ended up in Safeco. And I remember I used to take cooking classes in Safeco. And I said, oh yeah, why not a cooking class? We created the best of the best master trainers and mentors. Please stand up. Without these people, C Network would not have existed. And eventually they came out really very successful. And we're very happy because they proved themselves. Many of them are selling products already in the market, and we're very happy about it. So as I've said, C Network is not about, it's not just about cooking. We're here to somehow encourage you to develop whatever you learned in the class. 3 hours is not going to be enough. Your kitchen and your experience, your own creativity will be your teachers. It's not going to be us. Because learning doesn't stop from your classrooms. It starts from your kitchen. And we're very amazed that some of you have been posting their works on Facebook. Amazingly how wonderful they are. It's so unbelievable how people, you have never seen their products in their kitchen, but you see them posted on Facebook. It's so amazing. And with that, you all deserve a round of applause. I also would like to thank, in the absence of the Philippine Chef Society, who has more or less been with us for 3 months. We would like to thank those chefs who were asked to leave the Philippine Chef Society because they decided to work with us. And please stand up. Thank you very much, chefs. They didn't have second thoughts, but they left the organization for the love of teaching, baking, pastry, and the rest, and the international cuisine. Thank you very much, chef. Without you, In particular, I'd also like to thank also the person behind me. He's got all the screening most of the time. He's my assistant, Mr. Junior. I also personally would like to thank Dr. Cecilia. She has got the most recruits that I've ever found that attended and enrolled in the class. Also, we'd like to thank the people who have worked with us on the backstage and on stage. Mr. Vic Labal for all the beautiful photos that you've been giving us. And of course, our usual, regular, generous host, who's always been with us whenever you call her, Miss Jane.
Unfortunately, there's someone who's leaving so soon and would like to give her that recognition. I'd like to call the Mr. Jason Bornama, the operations director. Again on stage to award that plaque to Miss Liza Ann Velasquez.
We'd like to present you a plaque of recognition, Chef Liza. I hope you carry this plaque as you go back to the States.
Okay, so let's move on to one beautiful special number, of course, with the guy I always introduce as the Jumel Carvajal.
I think I'll never think till I try, I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love, I guess I've lost. But if that love it comes, then that's too much have cost. Tell them how I just say goodbye, defying gravity, and you won't see me down. Oh, when you care to find me, look to the western sky. And someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And now I'm flying so low, I think I'm flying free. To those who ground me, take this message back from me. Nobody was born to us, the wizard that there is on it's ever gonna bring me down.
That's how he sings in his signal now. Anyway, can we give him a big round of applause? We're gonna call on now the Master Chefs and Trainers on stage. Master Chefs and Trainers on stage, please. So we can start calling on the basic pastry and baking touch for graduates. On stage. If graduates will call your name one by one, of course. You have to go up on stage, shake hands, get your certificates, and of course the certificates. Mr. Wiki, would you please read what's on the certificate? It's okay. Fourth graduates, listen as your name are called, come on stage again. And of course, I'd like to call Mr. Johnson, Mama, and the managing director of the award certificates to the course graduates.
There is a ceremony in culinary class where we put the toques on the head to signify that they're going to be a full-time or full-fledged chef on pastry and baking. So we will award the full certificate to these students, and they will be placed a toque on their head to signify their title as Chef Patisserie.
Mr. Jocelyn Burhamo, the Operations Director of
But I will promise you that we're going to be doing more of these classes, especially if it's going to make you guys push it forward and go and follow your path and passion. And basically, if that's the thing that we were growing in you, then that's what satisfies us the most.
Yeah, okay. I had no breakfast since like 6:30 in the morning. I woke up very early for today's event. And look! It's tasting time of the food prepared by these students. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. There are biryanis, of course, because we had Arabic courses. Salmon prepared with Master Chef David Arnois. And then of course some sushis that they did during the Japanese cuisine. Sisi, congratulations. I cannot imagine how amazing their food products are. What do you think, Chef Riza?
So delicious.
Pwede na features sa cooking na mo.
Of course.
Love you, chat mom.
See you guys next week, I hope so.
And she's gonna be vlogging more of Arizona starting March. So she's gonna be moving to Arizona. What a beautiful rendition of the Gravity. Grabe.
Nakatayo po ako dahil masarap.
You get so mad when it's really good.
No, Darren.
No. My Ladies Health Club. You guys, watch out for this Cookie Mo products coming out very soon. And that's going to be like a cafe concept. I'm not going to tell you what, but he's told me every single detail of it. But I'm not going to steal the concept. It's his original concept. He's an artist, so. Marielle, so what did you make today, Marielle? You didn't do anything today. Because it's their turn to prepare some things, right? Yeah. What's this cheesecake? Blueberry? Blueberry. Oh my gosh! And look at the cheesecakes! Oh my gosh! The cheesecakes! Sabi ko, ayaw ko eh! Sabi ko, ayaw ko